Welcome to this explainer. How do researchers study complex human behaviors without relying on a single spreadsheet?
Sure, test scores show performance, but they completely fail to explain why a student stayed silent in class. Numbers tell us what happened. Qualitative analysis tells us why, capturing the messy, emotional reality of human learning. So, how does this messy data become credible science? Well, it happens through three highly structured analytical steps. First, researchers prep the raw evidence. They transcribe interviews, scrub identifying details, and totally immerse themselves in context. Even transcribing is an analytical choice. A simple pause or a heavy sigh might be crucial evidence. Step two is coding. Let's imagine an anxious language learner says this exact phrase during an interview. Rather than getting lost in text, researchers assign a code. It's a conceptual anchor to easily compare data later. For instance, that entire student sentiment can be neatly distilled down to a single tag, preparation. But human expression is really layered. That means a single sentence often reveals multiple overlapping insights. So, that same quote might actually be tagged for both peer support and fear of mistakes. Context is everything, though. One student might hate group work because of dominant peers, while another prefers independence. In step three, we zoom out. Dozens of initial codes get clustered into broader concepts, like preparation strategies. Ultimately, these categories merge into a major theme. This overarching pattern actually answers our initial research question. This discovery can be inductive, emerging organically from raw data, or deductive, where we rigorously test existing theories. Since researchers interpret this, you might wonder, is this just their subjective personal opinion? No, absolutely not. They maintain rigor through triangulation, strict audit trails, and constantly checking for personal bias to ensure total transparency. Qualitative analysis brings vital human context to the surface. So, what human stories are your numbers hiding?